In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to recover TikTok account using another TikTok account. Did you know you can help someone else recover their TikTok? Simply head to TikTok. On your profile page, tap onto these 3 lines and head to Settings and Privacy. Here you want to navigate onto the option of Report a Problem. You will then select onto this option of Account Recovery. In the search bar, search for the account you want to recover. You can enter the name or email address that's linked to the account. Now, on the account you want to recover, there's an option to request friend to verify. You just want to make sure you're both following each other and then tap on Request. Now for the friend you've requested, they just have to head to their settings and select on Security and Permissions. Then select on Help Friends Recover Accounts. You just want to search for the account that sent a help request and then tap on it to verify. Now, since I have no account that requested for recovery, when I tap on any, it will say couldn't verify. The simple trick is to make sure they send you the request, and your job is to search for them here to verify. Well, that's how easy it is to recover TikTok account using another TikTok account. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.